In the last step, I forgot to write y as now the inverse function. So g inverse of x is this, right? So we need to find the domain and range of g inverse. So what do we do? To find the domain, remember, since this is a quotient, we need to look at the denominator, right? Because this type of functions are defined in all real numbers except with the denominator equals 0. So we do that to find a point where it's 0, to take it away from our domain, right? So 5x minus 2 equals 0, 5x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 2 over 5. And then we make our real number line that goes from negative infinity to infinity. We mark 2/5, and the function g inverse, the domain of g inverse, is all real numbers except this number. So in interval notation, we write negative infinity 2/5 union 2/5 comma infinity. And now to find the range of g inverse, remember, the range of g inverse is actually the domain of g. So the g is this function, the original function. So it's also a quotient. It's also a rational function. So we only need to worry about the denominator as well. So we need to just check where the denominator equals 0 to take that point away from our domain. 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to negative 2, and then x is equal to negative 2 over 5. And then we write our real number line. It goes from negative infinity to infinity. We mark this point, a negative 2/5, and the function is defined everywhere else, right? So in interval notation, we write this as negative infinity, negative 2/5, union, negative 2/5, infinity. And that's it. So we have found the domain and the range of g inverse. Check, check. Have a nice day.